Hey there, everybody. It's Diane Gray, 100% College Prep. We're here at Hometown Bowl with the class of 2021 and our Bayview BSU, just celebrating the end of the year and having a little fun and food and just mingling with each other. And so our young people are here having some fun. You know, they earned it, and we're gonna do our part to give back to them, give them a little award and a little time with their friends and with each other. And so this year has just been a fabulous year. You know, despite the pandemic and all of that, our kids really got busy. They got the grades. Class of 2021 got the scholarships. They got into college. It's just been a really, really fantastic year, if I should say that. We're looking forward to next year. We're looking forward to more in-person programming, but right now we're just celebrating our young people because they got it done.
Hi, my name is Tichelle, and I'm the Associate Director for 100% College Prep. Today we are here celebrating the success of Black students. Next to me is my favorite student, Dejanique. She is one of 5 who was awarded the Presidential Scholarship for San Francisco State University, SF Pride, this month. What that means is she got a full ride. She doesn't have to worry about the things that I had to worry about. Tuition, room and board, how to pay for anything. She even gets to study abroad. I think, where did you say you going?
I want to go to Australia.
Australia, the land down under, Aborigines. Like, she gets a Miss Tichelle while she's going to SF State. I also am the Step to College lecturer. So if you're trying to go to college while in high school, this is what Deja did. So Deja has a 4.0 in college, going in with 6 units, $80,000 a year for 4 years. Like, you rich. How you feel?
I feel good.
She just graduated. Like, it's just an honor to do this job because it takes a village. Harriet Tubman had an army. Trust me, she did. So if anybody looking to do good and do community service, we really need you at 100% College Prep. And yeah, I'm gonna go back to all the kids. The ones that you see are the ones that's enjoying their life right now.
Hi, my name is Erica Morris. I am a graduated senior from St. Ignatius College Prep. Next fall, I'll be attending Fisk University in Nashville, Tennessee. I am also the City and County District 11 Youth Commissioner, as well as one of the founders and Executive Director of the San Francisco Citywide Black Student Union. And just to talk more about what I do as the Executive Director of SF Citywide BSU, I, with the help of my team and my members, we get together and just bring a safe space for all Black students in the San Francisco Bay Area. We vary from Oakland to Daly City. In our students, we come together, we support each other, having a central area where Black people and Black students can feel like they're being appreciated from. We also fund Black businesses. So we had a Black showcase, and with that, we only had Black businesses come out and talk on the Zoom about what they do, ranging from youth to adults, and just saying how they impact the community and how much they love being Black, as well as our vendors. We have hoodies and we get them from Black designers. We like to keep the money in the Black community for generational wealth to go through and just stick with our people. And at the Citywide BSU, we vary from different events. So like I said, we had BSU Showcase, that was virtual. We had a community give back where we gave 600 PPE kits to the Bayview, Mission, and Tenderloin District in San Francisco, California. We have also had a Black graduation celebrating our Black students, because we see a lot of times when they celebrate students that are black, it's either, oh, it's the public schools, or oh, there's the private schools. It's never because they're black students graduating, which is a big accomplishment. And so we had a black graduation for our black seniors, and a lot of our black seniors are going to amazing places. We have Texas Southern University, we have Cal Berkeley, University of San Francisco, we have College of Marin, multiple places where our black students are going, and they're gonna thrive through it. And so I'm just so happy that my organization, with the help of others, has been a year long, and we are serving the community as we projected in the beginning, and just trying to make sure all the black students know they have a safe space in San Francisco. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Caleb Parker. I go to Mission High. I graduated from Mission High School. I plan to attend SF State, and I plan to major in chemistry. I plan to go into pharmaceuticals for my career. 100% college prep is the greatest. Helped me get through the past 2 years of trying to figure out what I was going to do after high school.
Hi everyone, my name is Siobhan Hines Foster, and I'm a graduating senior from Lowell High School, and I'm also a student at 100% college prep. 100% college prep has really provided me with the support to find scholarships and also start with the college academic process. I'm proud to announce I'll be attending Texas Southern University in the fall with a major in political science.
My name is Dejanique. I just graduated high school a few days ago, and I'm going to San Francisco State University for the fall of 2021-2022 school year. I'm currently undecided right now, but I do want to do something in mental health. I basically want to work to help reduce the number of people who suffer from mental health issues every year. I don't know exactly what steps I need to take to get there yet, so that is why I'm going in undecided. I've been a part of 100% college prep for a little while. I have my mentor, Ms. Shell, who kind of helps me figure out things about scholarships, and it's basically just helping me get prepared for college all the way around. So I guess I really like that about the program.
A few things that I want to say I learned the most from being from 100% college prep is they taught me how to really understand a lot about school and why school is really important for a lot of people, because when you don't go to school, it's really putting a toll on your life because you can't do the things you want to do or achieve the things you want to achieve because you didn't graduate a certain extent of school. So that's why I really appreciate 100%, because regardless of if you want to go to school, it's good for you to go to school, and that's what we pushing here. It's for everybody to get a good education, a good degree, and be something, and become somebody. I'm going into my junior year, so I'm still in high school, but I go to Mission High School in San Francisco, California, and I'm striving for that school to get promoted as far as the stuff that they have going on in that school. It's a really good school, but I feel like the school district really undermines that school because of how old it is. I want to go to Morehouse College I think it's in Georgia. Yeah, that's the college I want to go to. It's an all-boys school, but they provide a lot of things that a lot of other schools don't provide, as far as financial aid, as far as a good learning system, a good community. I'm gonna see black brothers like me, people that don't look like me. It's a mixed breed of different people, but it's the unity in the boyshood that they have at that school that I really like. I want to major in forensic science because I want to become an anthropologist, which is people who work for the FBI and they go out and pretty much investigate the whole crime scene and use forensic science as a way to detect certain things or that might happen in a crime or something like that. So that's pretty much sum it up what it is.
My name is DeMarco Kutz. I go to Galileo High School. It's the G House for a reason. It's a lot of community. I love it there. It's really cool. So the college I might want to go to, I've been looking at a few. I remember when I was younger, because I played a lot of basketball, I always wanted to go to Duke. And that would be a really cool dream of mine, to go to Duke University. Also, some of the, I live in San Francisco. I was born and raised. So some of the local colleges I might want to go to would be, of course, SF State, Sonoma State, San Jose State. So, yeah. I shadowed some of those schools and they seem pretty cool. So those could be some of the ones I apply to if I don't get into Duke. So, and they have pretty good athletics, so it'll be a good one.
My name is Ambriana Daniels. I go to Burton High School. I am an incoming senior. I just turned 17. 100% College Prep has really helped me out ever since I started attending Burton. I became the president of the Bayview BSU, and I've also attended an HBCU college tour with them my freshman year. And from there on, it's helped me determine exactly what college I want to go to, which direction I want to go, and possibly like what career direction I want to go in.
Hi, my name is Jada, and I'm 16, and I go to Lowell High School. During the pandemic, I have been a part of 100% College Prep, and it has been good. It's been great to be able to be a part of a program that helps Black people, to help them succeed and to want to see them do great. So that has benefited me because throughout the pandemic, I've been getting all A's 4.0 at Lowell, and that school is known for how hard it is to get in, and it's just really good that I'm thriving there with the help of Mrs. Shell, and I really love her. She's great. She helps me, and she wants to see me do good. She sees a lot of potential in me. So as the other 100% staff, they are all amazing, and I'm really just grateful to be able to be a part of a program and be able to be a part of the events and have fun. After I graduate, I want to go straight to college, and I want to become a nurse. I want to become a labor and delivery nurse, and I'm not sure yet exactly what I have to major in, but that's what I want to do when I get older.
Hello, my name is Joseph Keith. I'm in the 10th grade. I go to Leadership High School, and I'm not really planning on going to college. The College Prep Club helped me pass this year because a quarantine really, it's a lot, but I hope to strive better for my senior year and to do better this year. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Isaiah Wilson. I go to Burton High School. I'm in 11th grade. I plan to go to SF State for college. I live in the Bayview Hunters Point. That's a very big community, especially it's filled with Black people. And I like that I'm in an area where I can see a bunch of my own skin, a bunch of my own people. It helps me make me feel comfortable inside of different areas, especially 100%, which leads me to 100%, of course. 100% helps me with college prep work, helps me with my current work right now, helps me try to get scholarships for school, and I'm very grateful for them, and I'm very excited for the next year because I'm going to be one of their graduates, of course. And I'm glad that 100% has gave me the opportunities that I normally wouldn't have without them. Thank you for the college tours. Thank you for all the work that you've made me do, all the work that you've helped me do, all the work that you've made me do to get money for the things that I need for school. So I would just like to thank 100% for that.
My name is Moani Angel Short, and I go to Galileo. I'm a junior, about to be a senior, and I'll be graduating next year in 2022. I want to go to Texas A&M and major in biochemistry so that I can become a doctor one day. Thank you 100% for always supporting me and everything that I do since the 6th grade, and I can't wait for y'all to see me graduate and do big things.
Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm John Henry, Executive Director. As we have been out here enjoying our day bowling, please connect with us. My guy Silent Tools, reach out to us on all of our social media handles, both sides of the conversation. Please, we have 3 live shows a week on our YouTube. Go to both sides of the conversation. Please like, subscribe, and turn the alert notification and follow us for all of the things that we're going to be doing in the future here in the community with our young people out, just blessing everybody. Check us on our Facebook, both sides of the conversation. Check us on Instagram, both sides of the conversation. LinkedIn, both sides of the conversation. Follow us on all our social media handles. Our 3 live shows every Tuesday at 7 p.m., every Thursday at 6 p.m., and every Sunday at 2 p.m. And tomorrow we'll be talking about community violence and awareness in our community for our young people. How do we fix this violence? So I hope to see you soon. Check us out, both sides of the conversation.